So I am at a wedding. It's an interesting wedding for me because it is only like 3 hours, really casual wedding. So hence dressed a bit more casually today. Gonna get some behind the scenes with the Ray-Bans, but I'm photographing with the Canon R1 today. I brought 2 lenses, well really 3, but I don't think I'll use the other one. I've got the RF 20-70 f2 and my 135 1.8. I did bring the RF 16mm 2.8 just in case I needed to have something a little wider. And then of course I've got my Profoto A10, and I also have a transmitter in case I want to throw it off camera. But the vibe of this entire wedding is super casual, so I'm probably not going to go crazy with like any light or things like that. I am really looking forward to this wedding. It's going to be so much fun. Good. Go ahead and just hand in the pant pocket. Yeah, that looks good. And then kind of place there, and then however your feet feel comfortable. Good. Nice. And look out the window again. Oh, this looks so, so good. Take your pocket watch, and as you walk, just like pocket watch in, button yourself up, kind of looking that way or looking down at your buttons. Go ahead, put in the pocket, and go ahead and button up. Look down at your buttons. And then I love how you put one foot out, one foot in. That's perfect. Just kind of like however you're comfortable. And then I love the lean. That's perfect, Michael. You're gonna both look at me. Nice. And then look opposite directions, like right or left.
You learn most when you are there on the job, and this is the next best thing, Shadow A Pro. Shadow A Pro is behind the scenes look at over 21 weddings and engagement sessions, real ones, not curated ones, not necessarily even my best, most visually appealing ones. They are real, they are raw, they're exactly what I do on any given wedding day. I also have videos there for you that are direct instruction on things like lighting the reception details, lighting the toasts, and so much more. Now I can't just have a course without giving you a bazillion bonuses. I'm giving you my very favorite pre-shoot client questionnaire. I'm showing you my family starter list. There's a posing cheat sheet. There's a second photographer guide. There's even a posing phrase sheet that will help you prompt your clients to get authentic, real emotions instead of solely staged ones. You are getting so much content, so many more bonuses that you're probably seeing on the screen right now, in addition to the actual meaty content that Shadow A Pro provides. Everything as real and raw as it gets. I hope to see you inside Shadow A Pro.
True marriage is more than joining the bond of marriage. Thank you all for joining this joyous occasion.
Come on back down, like towards the middle. Right there is perfect, right in the aisle. So all the VIPs in the aisle, cute. Good, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, scooch a little bit this way. Shannon, little step backwards. That looks good. These are here. Okay, so we're gonna add Clark and Rachel to this. That looks really good, perfect. Oh, love that. Stay right there, kind of looking down. And then just move your eyes up to me. Yeah. Keep your chin down. Yes, so good. Eyes down one more time. You can just kind of dangle. Like, yep, that's perfect. This hand around her waist too. Just look towards each other. Hold on to right there. Yes, that's perfect. Look towards each other. And then go in for like an almost kiss. Like get super close, but not quite. Like that. And then look up at me. And tilt your head towards her. Yeah, there you go. Love that. Yeah, and then Mackenzie, look at me. Michael, look at her. So if you two just walk hand in hand there, still like you're doing, yeah. And go forehead to forehead. And then look over your shoulder at me. Oh, so good. And Michael, look at Mackenzie. Love where your hand is, Michael. That's perfect. Just look towards each other. Oh my word, this is so good. Look at me for one. Good. Mackenzie, look at your flowers. Michael, look at Mackenzie. And go in for a kiss. And put your kind of hand on him. Ideally, pretend like you're both cold and you're warming each other up and like hands are everywhere. Yeah, trace her face. It's beautiful. So what you're gonna do when you walk towards me, you're gonna like kind of play and like bump butts and have fun. Let me back up a little. Yeah, there you go. So cute. Nice. Maybe spin her around a little bit. Yeah, and bring her in for a kiss. Oh, and button her back up.